Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Are you aware that Australian immigration is set to undergo significant changes starting from the 1st of July 2023? These modifications will have an effect on numerous parts of migration. This will introduce new rules and pathways that can influence your intentions to immigrate to Australia. The following are 10 significant immigration reforms coming into effect in Australia on July 1, 2023, along with how they could affect you. 1. Increase in Temporary Skilled Migration Income Threshold, TSMIT. TSMIT will increase from the current level of $53,900 Australian dollars to $70,000 Australian dollars as of July 1, 2023. With this modification, firms that wish to sponsor foreign workers are required to provide a minimum annual wage of $70,000 Australian dollars. 2. A route for holders of TSS visas to obtain PR. Holders of the Subclass 482 visa for temporary skills shortages will now have a road to permanent residency. By the end of 2023, the Australian government intends to provide these visa holders the option of permanent residency. This modification raises the degree of expertise in the Permanent Skilled Migration Program while bringing more certainty for immigrants and businesses. 3. Elimination of LMT, labor market testing. For skilled employees making more than $70,000 per year, firms will no longer be required to use the labor market testing technique, which mandates that they post job openings locally. The objective of this adjustment is to speed up the recruiting procedure for highly qualified personnel. 4. Australian citizenship changes for New Zealanders. From July 1, 2023, New Zealanders who have lived in Australia for 4 years or longer will be automatically granted Australian citizenship. They are no longer required to submit a permanent residence application as a result. It is significant to note that these modifications apply to New Zealanders holding Special Category Subclass 444 visas who arrived in Australia after February 26, 2001. 5. The plan for fewer visa subclasses. By combining many visa categories into one, the Australian government hopes to simplify the visa system. This consolidation will streamline the application process and increase the effectiveness with which immigration-related issues are handled. 6. Prorated Skilling Australians Fund, SAF levy. The Australian government is debating the implementation of a prorated SAF levy. By making this change, the length of the employee's employer-sponsored visa would decide the levy's amount. With this change, levy payment is made more flexible and equitable. 7. Australia-United Kingdom Free Trade Agreement. Due to the Australia-UK Free Trade Agreement, which went into force on May 31, 2023, the Working Holiday Maker (WHM) program and the Youth Mobility Plan have new arrangements. The age range for applicants for a working holiday visa is 18 to 35 from July 1, 2023, for UK passport holders. There will be greater options for travel and employment between the two nations, thanks to the 3 working holiday visas that will be provided to them without any specific job restrictions. 8. Increase in visa application fees. Starting from July 1, 2023, the cost of applying for a visa would increase by 6 to 40%. The Business Innovation and Investment Visa will see the biggest hike, with an application fee that exceeds $12,000 Australian dollars. Over the following 5 years, these adjustments are expected to increase the government's revenue by $665 million. 9. Work restrictions for student visa holders. Beginning from July 1, 2023, limitations on work for those with student visas will be reinstituted. There will be an upper restriction of 48 hours per fortnight for all holders of student visas, with the exception of those working in the elderly care industry. However, students in the elderly care industry will be allowed to work during limited hours up to December 31, 2023. 10. Changes for working holiday makers. The ability to work for the same business for an extra 6 months without requesting permission is now available to working holidaymakers. This exception enables working holidaymakers to continue working even if they began before July 1, 2023. But it's crucial to make sure of the extended length of validity of the visa. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.